In September of 2018, Tina and I traveled to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho to visit our good friend Daryl Wilson and his family. Along the way, we went through Nebraska. We camped on a lake in North Platte, visited our old apartment there, and mountain biked in Potter's Pasture in Nebraska. We stopped in scenic Thermopolis, Wyoming. We camped and mountain biked in Cody, Wyoming. Check out my channel for that video. Our destination was to visit our friends, but we took advantage of the journey to add to our overall adventure. While we were in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, we took the time to visit Sue's Memorial by the lake, watch their grandkids in a school race, play frisbee golf, and yes, that is me in the tree. Tina and I went paddleboarding, and we also rode the trails of Beacon Hill in Spokane. That video has not been posted yet. I also got to spend time with Daryl and Derek riding the trails of Coeur d'Alene. This video will show how beautiful that is in the Coeur d'Alene area and the trails that are available to ride. If you ever get out there, I highly recommend trying this route.
Well, we'll walk so many miles in a year. Yeah, you're thinking that time would get it clear. And I refuse to let this life just slip away. We're only remembered by the words that we say. I keep looking at this love with a free mirror. Will how tomorrow finally shed some light? I keep looking at this love with a free mirror. Trying to tell in my best friends our last goodbye. Well, we only get so much time to do our running. Then we're headed at some point where we're forced to slow down. Well, them days seem to be gone by so much faster. Tell me what I gotta do to slow it down. I keep looking at this life with a free mirror. Hope how tomorrow finally sheds some light. I keep looking at this life with a free mirror. Try to tell him my best friend the last goodbye. I keep racing, trying to find my new way. Hearing voices tell me what I should say. I keep racing, trying to find my new way. Not gonna listen to what they have to say. I keep looking at this life with a free mirror. Will by tomorrow finally shed some light.
It was so cool getting to see our friends in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho again. And then on the way home, we had even more wonderful adventures. We took the back roads. We came across Custer National Cemetery at Little Bighorn. We decided to stop in and take a tour. It just so happened that it was National Parks weekend and we had free admission. Ha! What luck. Also along the way home, we went through Sturgis. We had never been there, so we stopped, got out, and took this cheesy picture. We've added additional pictures of our adventures, and I hope you do the same on your travels. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.
Goodbye.